Hello and welcome to another tutorial from Alice Blue. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to access your Alice Blue account after receiving your login credentials on your registered email ID. To begin with, go to the login page and enter your user ID, registered email ID or mobile number. Next, click on Forgot Password to create a new password for your account. You will be asked to enter your PAN number. Once entered, verify your identity using the OTP sent to your registered email or mobile number. After verification, you can set a new password for your account and confirm it. Once your password has been successfully created, you will be redirected back to the login page. Here, enter your user ID and newly created password. Finally, complete the login by verifying the OTP sent to your registered email and mobile number. And that's it. You're now logged into your Alice Blue account. Thanks for watching. Investments in securities markets are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.